What's up, guys? I know it's been a while, but I'm back. Hey, look, I got a new house and all kinds of things happening, you know what I'm saying? But hey, today's video, I got a fourth brake light for my FRS. Hey, so look at this. Box is already shitty, so we gonna open this bad baby up. Hold on. I need two hands for this. Someone set you guys down right here. See how this baby look. Paper. What's this? My paper. This baby weenie right here. Okay. Let's open this bad baby up. Okay. Oh, it look good. It look real good. It look real good. So we got zip ties, wire connectors in here. Yeah. Here's the baby right here. That looks good. Real good. Like, oh my gosh. Brother. I got like a little tent on it. And here's some wires. We about to get to this because here we go. You know what I'm saying? So let's get this out of here. I'm gonna show you guys the after and before. Well, before and after. I'm gonna show you guys before and after. So let's see. Let me show you guys the before. Let me turn this on. I think that's you got. I'm gonna set you guys back here. So this is the before brake light. You got the brake, and I'm pretty sure nothing happens. You got the brake, and it does a little brake light back there. And then you have the reverse light that comes on. So that's it. But with the new one, you're gonna have a running brake light, a running light, a brake light, and reverse light. So let's get started. I'm so excited. So the first thing you want to do is get the ass end up. I gotta remove the jack. Don't worry, I got me a jack stand. You know what I'm saying? Because you know those jacks. Can't really trust those, so I put a little stand underneath with it. So you want to get underneath and unhook both of these. It's another one underneath here, this one as well. So you get the harness out the way with the bolts on it. You got 3 little clips that's holding that harness together, so you can undo that harness so you can get it out. It's 2 10mm bolts that's on top and 2 clips on the side to get the fourth brake light out, the old one. So I'm gonna get to it because it's dark underneath here. So just let me get it out so we can get to the business. You know what I mean? Once you got those 2 bolts and the 2 clips out of the way, it's a little clip that's underneath at the bottom. You squeeze it together and the fourth brake light should just come out. It should just wow, come straight on out. I got them out, so here's the new one here, and here's the factory one. So you get that out, you wanna you can put the new one in. You know what I'm saying? You can put the new one in now. You know what I'm saying? Make it look good. So when you put the new one in, you wanna put that slot, like this part here. the little slot part at the bottom. You know, when I tell you to squeeze the clamps at the bottom, you want to put that in first, and then you want to put everything else in. You can put the 2 clips and the bolts back in at the top. So that's what I'm about to do now. Well, it looks like mine came with some side clips on the side, so I'm gonna take those out first, then put it in. So hey, I'm gonna get back with you. Hold on, I'll be right back. But when we get that all done, all we gotta do is do the wiring, and let's get a quick look at what it looked like. You can't really see, but it looked good.
4 to 6 weeks later.
What up, guys? The same video, but you know, different day, different month, all kinds of things. But yeah, I know I forgot to finish the video on the fourth brake light, but I'm gonna just do it for you now. So I'm gonna go from where I left off at. So let's get started. So all you do is you pop these 3 clips down here. There's one that's already popped. Yeah, it's 3 of them down there. So player, let me go over here and get my flag. Bow, bow, bow. So you want to pop those 3 clips. Oh, shit. Before you do all that, let's go ahead and take the liner out. So I'm gonna take all this out, set it on the ground. Let's do that. And then you got those 3 clips out. All you gotta do is just lift it up and pop straight on out. Let's get that out of the way. And you wanna peel back this inner liner. Golly, man. Yep. That doesn't get stuck on right here. But yeah, peel back this inner liner. And this harness here, you're gonna replace it with it came with a new harness for the fork brake light. And all you do is run it through back here. And it's like a little butt plug back there. Just like literally right there. And you pull that out. And I just fished my new one all the way back there and underneath and plugged it into the fork brake light. And for the wires for the fourth brake light, you got this like triangle like brake light, and you want to make sure the blue one's connected to, I think it's the green wire on there, and like this brown wire connected to the red wire, so that triangle bright light would cut on when you're braking. And that's all you do. So yeah, so I'm gonna demonstrate. Let me turn the lights on. I'm gonna brake it for you guys so you guys can see it. Okay. So that's when, see this is how it looks when your running lights are on. And here you go when you brake, player. So when you brake, that triangle lights. And when you brake, the triangle lights come on. So that's the install for the fourth brake light. Hey guys, that's it for the video. Make sure you guys give me a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.